Moving on now, the city of Enugwu-Ukwu in Enugwu local government area stood still yesterday as the remains of late Ozombo Sylvester Onwudinjo were laid to rest in his compound at Uruogbo village, Enugwu-Ukwu. Late Chief Onwudinjo, who died at 74, was blessed with 4 children and 6 grandchildren. Correspondent Chukwuemeka Modelim now reports.
The journey of late Chief Onwudinjo to his final resting place started with a burial mass at St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Enugwu-Ukwu, where many prominent sons and daughters of the community, family members, and the choir prayed for the peaceful repose of his soul through requiem songs. In a homily, Reverend Father Fabian Anumba, who described death of a believer as transition to eternal glory, admonished Christians to trust in God at all times, even when things are not working in their favor, by prioritizing spiritual values over worldly possessions for them to make heaven after their lifetime on earth. The Reverend Father thanked God for the life, time, and contributions of the late Chief Onwudinjo to humanity and the church, and enjoined his family members to put their trust in God for them to overcome any situation they find themselves in. The first son of the deceased, Mr. Chukwuemeka Onwudinjo, described his late father as a generous man who loved his family and helped the needy in so many ways, even as he assured that they will follow his footsteps to keep his legacy alive.
The vacuum that he left is irreplaceable, but as a son, I will try my best to see how much of the vacuum I can fill. But we really lost an hero, we lost an icon. We will continue with what my dad started. Although, to be honest with you, he is so selfless. He can even give you the wound that was meant for him.
On her part, the younger sister of the deceased, Lady Patricia Okoro, said his brother was a selfless man who followed his father's footsteps by living a life of charity, and prayed God to grant him eternal rest in his kingdom.
My brother is so proud of his sisters, and proud of his children. We're going to miss him a lot because he left a very huge vacuum in the family.
In his condolence message to the family of late Chief Onwudinjo, the traditional ruler of Enugwu-Ukwu, Igwe Raf Ekpe, described him as a humble man who never said no to any duty assigned to him by his cabinet, adding that his death is a great loss to his cabinet and Enugwu-Ukwu community. Other mourners, including Senator Victor Ume, representing Anambra Central at the Senate, Chief Cosmas Anabo, a one-time managing director of Anambra Broadcasting Service, Sir Ikechukwu Abana, said that the deceased was a benevolent man. The funeral ceremony was attended by government officials, Ndị Nze na Ọzọ Enugwu-Ukwu, the clergy within and outside Enugwu-Ukwu Catholic community, and was climaxed with interment and condolences by his family members, relatives, friends, and well-wishers. From Enugwu-Ukwu, Chukwuemeka Modelim, ABS News.